This is a bad idea. So Gannon was given the job to get Massey out of the truck, and I wanted him to figure it out for himself, and he looks like he's having a hard time figuring out how to get Massey out of the truck because there's a bunch of brush and stuff in the back. Haley said, what did Haley say she would do to get Massey out?
Take all the stuff on the truck and put it in the burn pile and then get Massey out of the truck.
That's Haley's suggestion. That's what I would do, but Gannon, I think, is going the brute force route. Think it through there, genius.
I need something to stand on.
Is there an easier route?
Not really.
Well, let me know when you get it figured out.
I need something to stand on.
For what?
So I can lift her out
Okay.
without her falling on me.
Okay. Okay. Well, you did it. You accomplished it. You accomplished the task that I gave you, huh?
Said I needed something to stand on.
Well, you know we have to unload the truck anyway. We're going to get all that brush off of there. You could have pulled all that brush off of there and then just lowered the tailgate and let her off. That's what
That's not what you.
I said. Get Massey out of the truck. I said figure it out. Just get her out of the truck, and you got her out. You didn't do bad. Haley just had a difference of an opinion on how to go about it. Good job.
Go.
I gave Katie, Haley, Gannon, and Gabe the task of putting the vise back together. I gave them the job and told them to figure it out, and I'm not helping them any.
You put that in there. You're strong. On this thing. Yeah, when we screw this in. Put it through. That's gonna be as when we screw it in. Okay, go ahead. Knock on doing the fingers. You want us to do it on the ground? To try to dump it in there on the ground?
Sure.
Yeah, no, let's. Yeah, do that. There you go.
Go.
See my slime.
Wow, look at that. Look at you guys.
Hey, now put this in there.
You put the screw things on. I put one on.
Did you put one of them on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen to Haley.
Both screw things. Bigger one first,
Okay.
actually.
No. Put that one on. Go ahead and put that on. And then whenever we screw this on, that's going to go in the bottom of this when we screw it on.
And then you put that.
Where is it? Oh, that one. Yeah.
Put this thing.
Hold on.
In inside that.
Shut up.
You need to wait till it comes off.
I can't even see where it's.
I'm greasing these little thread things right here with this little greasy thingy so it will slide through better. And
Greasy thingy. Could you talk more manly than that?
premium performance.
What is it?
Isn't that what I just said? Napa
What's it? What is it?
wheel bearing and chassis grease. And only I'm allowed to use it.
You got? Are you? Is it on there? Okay, let's mount it on the table and be done.
What's that mean?
Straight up, dude.
Okay.
Straight up,
I'm
dude.
Jim, reach it.
Do it.
Thanks, Popsy Roxy.
You're the best.
Let's say Popsy Roxy.
What are we saying?
You tell me.
Thanks, Rocky, for the.
Thanks, Unc.
Thanks, Unc.
Thanks what?
Thanks, Unc.
Thanks, Unc.
Thanks, Unc Rock. You the best. Let's say that.
Why do
Let's
you
say
be?
that.
Why do you
Thanks. Thanks, Unc Rock. You the best.
be? Why do you be?
We'll figure it out and I'll press play.
Thanks, Unc. Why do you be?
What's what?
Why
What?
do you mean?
You the best.
YDB?
Why do you be?
Thanks
for the
for the
advice,
advice,
Unc.
Unc. You the best.
Why do you? What?
No,
Why
just
do
say
you be?
you the best.
Why do you be? Thanks for the advice.
You
Thanks.
ready?
Listen, no, this is how we're gonna say it. Thanks, Unc.
Thanks.
You the best. No, thanks
why do
for
you-
the you the best. And then we got Unc Rock. You the
Rock.
best. And then we gotta point at the camera. Alright, let's do this thing.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Thanks for the advice, Unc Rock. You
Why
the
do you
best.
be? Why do you be?
Thanks.
Thanks, Unc Rock, for the advice. You the best.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Unc
Unc
Rock.
Rock, for the advice.
You the best.
Thanks, Unc Rock, for the advice.
You the best.
Wait, I didn't say that. Thanks, Unc Rock. Alright. Thanks, Unc Rock, for the advice.
You the best.
Why do you be?
That's our best one you're gonna get.
And what does IDB stand for?
Why do you be?
What does YDB stand
You the
for?
best.
You the best. Okay, good enough.